Hi, my name is Basil and I am the head of business development in the US and Europe at Innowise Group. The days leading up to Christmas and New Year's Eve are the perfect time to reflect on our accomplishments. This year, celebrating our 15th birthday, Innowise Group has grown up to 1,500 employees. We have opened 5 new offices and dev centers in Poland, Georgia and Germany. Some of our small divisions such as Golang, Ruby, SAP and Salesforce have evolved into large separate departments. Our professionals have consulted and implemented over 130 projects in fintech, healthcare, e-com, manufacturing, ML, XR, IoT and other domains. Innowise Group made it to the Global Outsourcing 100 and Inc. 5000. Our CEO Pavel Orlov was accepted to Forbes Tech Council. These high honors inspire us to keep doing what we do best, being innovative and passionate about serving our customers. Thinking about 2023, we plan to open new offices in Italy, Belgium, the UK, Arab Emirates and the United States. But as always, we will continuously support our clients wherever they are to develop the world for the better. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!